My name is Brian Arlod. I'm the owner of Certified Solar, Heating, and Air Conditioning. Today I want to tell you about how important it is that you get your tune-up done. We offer a 28-point certified performance tune-up and system inspection. With these 28 points, we're going to go through the entire furnace or the entire air conditioner and make sure that everything is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. We want to make sure it's working within manufacturer specifications. We want to make sure everything is safe and healthy to operate in your home to protect your family, pets, and loved ones. We want to make sure that your utility bill is not higher than it should be. We all know PG&E. We all know how much it costs to run equipment, turn your lights on. The least amount you can pay them is always better. We also want to make sure that there's no funny things going on inside there, or rust or molds growing inside a ductwork, or rodents chewed through it and got inside. Again, it all goes back to your health. Your air quality inside, super important. We all know in Northern California, we've been having tons of wildfires up here, lots of poor air quality. We want to make sure we're not bringing that in the home and getting it stuck in there through a leaky duct system, whatever the case may be. Manufacturer recommends every year you have your maintenance done on your furnace, to go through it, check it out, make sure again that it's safe and easy, healthy to run. They also recommend it for your air conditioner and make sure that it's operating at peak efficiency. It's the largest appliance in your home and it uses the most energy when it's on. So we want to check your air conditioner in the summertime, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. Not only does the manufacturer recommend it, but your local utility company recommends it, Title 24 recommends it, and even the American Gas Association, who governs all gas-fired appliances, they recommend that your furnace be inspected on an annual basis, which means every year before the season starts. All too often, we get people that call in the middle of the winter when it's cold and go, my heater broke. We come out, we take a look at it, go through, diagnose it, and we find it's something simple. Something simple gave out, something simple broke, or whatever the case may be. That it's always something simple, something that could have been prevented. If you were a proactive person and got it done ahead of time, not only would you not have to suffer cold, miserable nights, calling a bunch of companies, just taking the first company that comes out that's available. You try to call a good company when it's really cold outside, a good company like us, we're going to be booked out 2 or 3 weeks. How long do you want to wait in your house with no heat? I wouldn't want to wait 2 or 3 weeks. So then you go start calling everybody, and the first person that can come out is the person that you choose. Usually that person, not necessarily going to be a skilled craftsman like we are. It's just going to be somebody that maybe is working out of his garage, maybe he's working out of his truck, one-man show, not insured, not licensed, not bonded. You know, there's nothing wrong with working out of your garage, but there's something wrong when you don't have a license or you're not insured or bonded to do this stuff. So you always want to make sure you get out a professional. That's why it's super important to be proactive. Our 28-point furnace tune-up and inspection, it's easy. It takes about an hour to an hour and a half to complete. The technician that comes out to your home is going to be friendly, clean-cut, and uniformed. He's going to be drug tested, background checked. We even go so far as the DMV check him. So when this guy comes out, he's going to be a model citizen coming out to your home to take care of you. Make sure that you're happy. Make sure that you're healthy, safe, and comfortable. It's all super important stuff. That's what we strive for here at Certified. We want you to be the happiest client in the world. You can see that if you go to any of the review sites like Yelp or Google or Facebook and go look us up. We're 5 stars everywhere you go. Everybody loves Certified, and everybody knows who Certified Carl is. So just look us up. We're ready to come help you out and keep you healthy, safe, and comfortable. You can find more information on the tune-up at our website or at our YouTube channel that we've got, and it goes through an individual description of each point so that you have an understanding of what we're coming out before we come out, or what we're doing before you come out. So please, give us a call. Simple, 925-GET-TEMP, or if you don't have a phone with letters on it, it's 925-438-8367. You can find us on the website at www.get-temp.com. We're there for you. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.